There's one thing that Napoleon Hill talks about that's very important, called the desire for something for nothing. Andrew Carnegie wanted to give away his money, but he wanted to do it in such a way where he didn't inspire this desire of something for nothing. So let's take a look at exactly what that means. I relate it to the desire to gamble because in Think and Grow Rich, he says that that's one of the 31 causes of failure is gambling or the desire of something for nothing. Okay, and a lot of times people think gambling just means going to the casino, making a bet, or sports betting, horse race betting, card games, things like that. But gambling extends more than that. You can include the stock market in that. And of course, that's still similar to the casino. So you could include, expecting an employer to give you a raise, even though you're just doing the exact same thing you've always done. You haven't done anything more. So why should you get more for nothing? Why should you get something else for nothing else? It's very simple. What you give is what you get. This applies to everything. This is a law of nature. The Beatles say the love you give is equal to the love you make. It's a law of nature. The energy you put out is the energy that you get back in. But specifically applied to the work that you do and the financial rewards that you're looking for, what you do or what you induce others to do that results in service to others results in rewards. Get rid of the instinct, the desire to gamble. Okay? Success takes sometimes, oftentimes, years of hard work and dedication, concentration of effort, so that you can create something that helps other people. The desire for something for nothing will never work. Never. So when you see that instinct to gamble, rein yourself in, calm down, because I know the desire to gamble can come with when you're emotional. You just want it now. You're over it. But it's going to take a little bit longer. And if you still have that instinct in you, you're going to have to work a little bit harder to get it out of you.